Hi beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So in this particular tutorial, I want to discuss this skin firming product. Now, as you know, us ladies, when we get older, unfortunately, our skin is not as tight and taut as it used to be when we were in our 30s. I discovered this product and it is called the Beverly Hills MD Dermal Repair Complex. This is actually a pill that you take it twice a day. And this company was started by two gentlemen and they are plastic surgeons from California. So their promises sounded really good and that's why I ended up purchasing this product here. Now I'm going to tell you what their promises were. Just give me 1 second. This is what they say. The Dermal Repair Complex is a natural supplement that addresses the root causes of aging, collagen and elastin breakdown caused by hormonal changes. Powerful all-natural ingredients work together to increase skin's firmness, smoothness, and youthful glow from the inside out. So that did sound promising to me. I've been taking this product now for, I think this is my third bottle, so 3 months. And I'm just on my third bottle, meaning I've been taking it little over 2.5 months. You take 2 pills per day, 1 in the daytime, 1 at night. So yes, I have been noticing a change and my skin is tighter. Now I am excited about the fact that they came out with another product, and this is a product that they also promised and that it would tighten the skin, and it's called the Beverly Hills MD Rapid Lift Advanced Neck Serum. Now, I have noticed that there weren't a lot of reviews on this product, and I'm going to tell you why. Because it's so new and because it took so long for us customers to receive it. I had actually ordered this product April 23rd, 2021. I did not receive it till May 29th, 2021. And that means it's about 5 weeks it took me to receive it. So the product itself cost me $113.95 for 2 of these. It's not a huge amount that they give you in one bottle. It's 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 mils. Not a lot. But I'm actually pretty happy with it. I've been taking it about 11 days now. So I apply it at nighttime only. You open it up and you twist it and you put it on the on, where it says on, and then the product itself will roll onto your skin. There is this roller here. It's kind of cool. And so I will put it on my neck and around my chin area. And I have noticed a bit of tightness already. So I'm really excited about it. Right now, I'm not wearing my usual foundation when I do my tutorials. So this is me, and you can see I have a ton of sunspots, and that's due to the fact that I like to go outside a lot and I paddle, but always use SPF. So I actually do put this all over my face, and I have a little t-shirt on now because I want to show you. I also bring it down my chest area to try to firm up that area. That area, considering I'm well into my 50s, is actually pretty tight, but of course we always want to be a little tighter. So I am going to check back with you in a couple of weeks. Again, I've taken it for about 11 days. I'm going to check back with you in a couple of weeks. So don't forget to subscribe so you will get notification of my next video. And
the key ingredients for the Dermal Repair Complex is saw palmetto, MSM, which promotes naturally strong skin from deep inside skin for a firm, more toned look, collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B, as well as vitamin A. For the skin tightening serum, it's not natural. There's a whole bunch of different ingredients like water, ingredients that I can't actually pronounce, fragrance, wine, chamomilla, recutita, flower extract, etc. Now I looked online and it seems that you can't get the rapid lift anymore, and I guess they were honest in saying that there was a limited amount.
And I will give you my final results and my final thoughts on this product. Thanks so much for watching me on Wendy's World. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.